What's up guys, this is Tampatec and I'm going to show you some of the coolest pool vacuums you can get for your pool this summer. No more brushing, no more cleaning. You just drop this in your pool and within an hour your pool will be clean. But let's go ahead and test it out. This is the wireless version. This is the portable rechargeable battery pool vacuum by Paxcess. And this one right here is a lot heavier. This is the wired version. This will actually climb up the walls and vacuum as well. If you guys are interested in the Paxcess pool vacuums, check out the link in the video description below. There are other versions. Check out your pool specs and buy the pool vacuum that fits your needs. This is the portable version. And if you guys are interested in any of these products, I'll leave a link in the video description below. This one actually comes apart. You just pull the sides up and it comes right apart like that. And then you can clean it out using a hose. Here's the filter. And all the debris drops in here. I've been using this for about a month and it works really well. The only thing is it doesn't climb walls. So if you need a vacuum that climbs walls, then the wired version is better. This one you can have up to 3 hours of vacuuming. This one runs between 1 to 1.5 hours of vacuuming. And if you want to turn it on, you just move it over and switch it on and you'll see the blue light turn on. All right, see that blue light? That lets you know that it's on. Now we're going to put it in the water and test it out. Alright, so now we're going to drop in the wired version and we're going to see which one picks up the most debris. I'm just going to go over a quick demonstration. So you do have to plug in the cord right here. It plugs in one way. You can't really screw that up. It has a little notch at the end of the plug. You push it in and you twist this on. Now make sure you don't get this wet. This is the control panel and it has simple controls. It has on, off, and then cycle. You can set it for 1, 2, or 3 hours. I usually set it for 1 hour. It's plenty. My pool isn't that big. It's like around a 20-foot pool and 1 hour cleans the pool pretty good. So with the Paxcess, it doesn't have a floaty ring or anything like that. You would have to use the pool brush and send it under here and then lift it up. I use the pool brush because, you know, that's the easiest way to get this out of the water. And the first initial time you use this, you do have to like push it down and kind of drown it because there's a lot of air bubbles in it and you do have to like sink it in the water. But after that, then it should drop straight into the water from that point on. All right, so right here is where all the debris is. You unlock it and you open it up and you have 2 sections to clean out. So these are little baskets and you'll find the leaves or debris in here and you rinse them out really well. I have a salt pool, so I get a lot of salt deposits. I would say like after a couple months I do have to put a new bag of salt in the pool because it does suck out quite a bit of salt with the debris. But that's all right. Bag of salt's pretty cheap. On. Now it takes about 30 seconds for it to kick on. With the portable Paxcess pool vacuum, once you turn it on, turn that switch on, and you drop it in the pool, it kicks on about like 5-10 seconds after you drop it in the pool. The cordless Paxcess pool vacuum sucks in and blows out water, moving it back and forth in the pool. And the fin is connected to a switch which triggers which direction the pool vacuum goes in. And as you can see, the corded Paxcess pool vacuum does a good job climbing the walls and cleaning even the tile near the surface. It doesn't do stairs, as you can see. The Paxcess pool vacuum tends to get stuck and it'll eventually drop back down from the stair. It is very quiet. Both of them are extremely quiet. Let's go under there. As you can see, the Paxcess pool vacuums in their natural habitat. The bigger one shows its dominance over the little one by running it over.
I noticed it doesn't climb the walls like the
other Paxcess?
Yeah.
That one's wired. It has more power. This one's less inexpensive, actually. And I like the simplicity of it. Now, pulling out the pool vacuums are pretty easy. I use a pool brush, grab the float ring, and drag out the cordless pool vacuum. With the corded pool vacuum, do not pull on the blue cord because that can damage the internal wiring. You want to use the pool brush and grab it by the handle. Alright, so open up this one. Oh my God almighty. You would not be... I don't believe I sucked up this. You won't believe what I sucked up. This is funny. Alright, so let's take a look in here and see what we have. A surprise. It sucked up a freaking frog. You see that? It sucked up a freaking frog. And the frog's still alive. Which is hilarious. You see that? Where is it? Actually, it did a fairly good job. See all the debris right here? So it did pick up quite a bit. Picked up salt, of course. But it did pick up some other debris that was in the pool, which is good. Now you want to make sure you rinse off both pool vacuums with fresh water inside and out. And I'm going to try to get this frog out somehow using the hose. Ah, there it goes. He jumped out. Paxcess pool vacuums are strong enough to pick up leaves and even frogs, but gentle enough to keep the frog alive. Hopefully my demonstration did help you guys out. If it did, give me a big thumbs up. If you know anyone that has a pool that might find this video useful, go ahead and click on the share button below, share this video to them, help someone out. Subscribe and hit that bell notification to stay updated on the latest tech videos. And if you guys are interested in these pool robotic vacuums, check out the links in the video description below. Those are affiliate links that support the channel.